Well, gang, we did it. We made it through the winter again. The last couple winters, oh, this winter, anyways, were obviously tougher than usual too. So, especially mentally, we all did what we could to get through it for sure. I spent a lot of my time out at Ojibwe and the tall grass area here in Windsor, Ontario. It's not exactly hardcore nature, but it is pretty special, and I'm pretty grateful to have it. So, spent my time, did a little camping, tested out some winter gear, and did what I could to get through it, as we all did. And then finally, spring sprung, so it was good to feel the hot sun on the back and hear the wind going through the trees as you go by for sure. Definitely good mental therapy. Everybody knows that. It was also good to get out there and use some of the gear that I bought during the winter time to find out, if all the research you did and all the time spent looking things up and trying to ensure that you get the best bang for your buck. And so far, it seems like most of the decisions I made were pretty solid. Some new gear for recordings, different camera perspectives, different ways to get out there and record things from different angles, some different cameras to get myself underwater, get us into different worlds when I'm doing different things. So I definitely think it'll take my recording to a different cinematic level for sure. And then, of course, whole new bike setup this year, no trailer, all new bags, and I'll be testing all these bags throughout the year as we go and giving my thoughts on them as well, of course. If anybody has any suggestions as far as gear goes, I'm always up for suggestions on gear. While I've been riding bikes my whole life, I'm more new to the long distance touring. So if anyone has any thoughts on things I could do better, or if you're looking for advice, I'm always up for giving advice too. So don't hesitate to ask me for any advice or give it. I'm always up for that as well. And definitely thankful to my buddy Scott, who picked me up, drove me up to Goderich, and that is where I'm going to spend the next little bit. It's a beautiful place up in Goderich, very old historical town as far as Canada goes, lots of history, and I will cover that in future videos as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and look forward to more videos coming soon.
Hi everyone. Well, here it is. I'm in Goderich. I'm on the Maitland River here, and the bike packing season has begun. So I will be posting up here for, I don't know, about 3 weeks till hopefully this shutdown stuff in Ontario is done. And then from there, I will be getting back out on the road. So here I am, beautiful Maitland River. Pretty special place right here. So I'll show you camp here. So this is Scott's place here. I don't think he really wants to be in the videos too much, so I'm not gonna show too much of that, but this is the setup here. And yeah, pretty special place right here, so really happy to be here, guys. So yeah, this is where I'm going to be for the next 3 weeks, racing out of here and everything. So I'll get back to you in a bit once we get set up a little bit more and everything, but it's good to be out of the city, guys. Really good.
For the gold.